Hola amigo, amiga! Hello! So sa mga interesado about FIFO jobs, welcome ka dito. At sa mga hindi naman interesado, welcome ka pa rin. Pero kung ayaw mo, swipe up ka na lang. By the way, yung mga comments at question, babasahin natin ngayon at sasagutin. Disclaimer, yung mga sagot ko based on my experience only. So una natin sasagutin, what's the salary roughly for admin in mining? I've been looking to get into it. If you're a starter, you'll get 75, and then every 6 months, there's a salary increase. First, the company will give you the salary increase. Second, will be the government, so on and so forth. Hi, may experience ka po ba as admin before makapag-work as FIFO admin? If yes, how many years needed of qualification? So, for me, sa sitwasyon ko, nakapagtrabaho ako ng admin hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng 4 years of experience. And, mas mabilis na rin para sa akin makapag-apply or makakuha ng trabaho as FIFO dahil yung hubby ko nasa mining na. So, yung site manager, kakilala ko na or kakilala na ni hubby. Kaya mas napadali yung pag-hire sa akin. So, yes, kung wala kang experience, I bet kumuha ka ng certificate. At least certificate 2. Tapos, experience ka na lang. So, how did you start your career as FIFO site admin? I've already answered that question. Thank you. Do mines do visa sponsorship for mine admins? Unfortunately, not, because admins are not skilled worker. Hi, where I can apply FIFO admin job. So, you can go online, search in SeekJob, Indeed, and Jora. I'll comment down below na lang yung mga link. Hello po, pwede po working holiday visa dyan. Japanese citizen currently in Japan, half Pinoy. Yes, you can apply working holiday visa in Australia as long as nasa age bracket ka ng hinihingi ng Australia. Ma'am, if nasa Pinas po, need ba talaga makakuha muna ng visa sa Australia? Wala po bang agency sa Pinas na mag-sponsor ng visa ko? Depende po kung ano po yung trabaho na kukunin nyo. Kung working visa kayo, dapat qualified kayo, like skilled worker, engineer, chef, mga diesel fitter, basta qualified ka, merong mag-i-sponsor sa'yo na company. Pero pag hindi ka qualified, you have to get your own visa or mag-aral ka para makapasok. So, yes, yun lang ang ating chika. Sana nagustuhan nyo at kung may mga tanong pa kayo, comment lang kayo at i-try nating sagutin. Thanks for watching. Bye!